Did you know some birds can literally see time? Yes, you heard that right. Imagine being able to watch moments extend, seeing everything around you in a sort of high-definition slowness. Sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? Let me introduce you to the fascinating ability of birds, known as temporal resolution. To understand this, we need to first grasp how humans perceive time. Our brains are limited to processing around 60 frames per second. Anything moving faster than this blends together as a blur. But in birds, this is drastically different. Their temporal resolution can range up to an astonishing 120 frames per second in some species. Think about a pigeon flying down a bustling city street. To us, traffic lights blur, cars zoom past, and everything moves quickly. But a pigeon perceives the world as if someone pressed the slow motion button. Every movement is crisp and clear. This extraordinary ability isn't just a fun sight, it's adaptive. For birds like hawks diving for prey or hummingbirds rapidly hovering mid-air, survival often depends on split-second decisions. How do they achieve this? It all comes down to specialized cells in their retinas called photoreceptors. Birds have a significantly higher density of photoreceptors, allowing them to capture more visual information in less time. In essence, their biological cameras snap continuous high-speed pictures of the world. This enhanced vision, combined with ultra-fast brain circuitry, lets them interpret these images almost instantaneously. Okay, so birds can see time quicker. How does this help them day to day? Let's take a hummingbird, for example. These tiny creatures flap their wings about 50 times per second. For us, their wings would appear as a blur, but to them, each precise motion is like watching choreography in real time. This ability helps them hover delicately while extracting nectar from flowers with pinpoint accuracy. But here's an interesting twist. Not all birds have the same temporal resolution. Raptors like eagles and hawks with slower wing beats don't need quite the same resolution as, say, a budgerigar zigzagging through a dense forest. Evolution has tailored each bird's perception of time to their survival needs. So, the next time you see a pigeon deftly dodging through crowds or a hawk's perfect dive for prey, remember, they're not just sharp-eyed, they're masters of time itself. Bird brains, more like nature's genius engineers, and who knows, the science behind their vision might one day inspire breakthroughs in robotics or artificial intelligence. Now that's worth musing over, don't you think? Keep exploring with us, and who knows what other hidden marvels of nature